What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another hot Texas day. We had some good news. We finally got some parts in for the Beamer. Some new parking sensors and a new headlight switch we're going to install into the E92. Again, you might remember the video where I may have accidentally broke that piece. Yeah, so I think I just may have bought me another one of these. I think this one's pretty much done. Lucky enough to find a replacement on eBay for about 40 bucks. So really not bad. I think this is like 150 brand new. Saved a little money there. And parking sensors. There's a way to test them, but I believe it's gonna be this one right here with a nice little dent on it. We're gonna see how easy that is gonna be to replace. But to test them, we need to find out how to test them. Videos online that say that the sensors are always working and they'll send out kind of like a signal or a sound. Let's give it a try. Okay, push that on. Car's not on, right? We just pushed this on, so car's not on. Just gonna pop it in reverse. And we're gonna check them. Apparently, these sending out a signal. I don't know if I can hear anything. Okay, so there's like a very faint signal you can hear. If you put your ear right next to the sensors, you'll hear a little faint pop, like a little electrical sound. And just to try to find out which one is not doing that, that would be the one to replace. Let me see if I can hear anything out of this front one here. Yeah, no, I don't hear a thing out of this one. This one's definitely dead. That one's definitely dead, but I'm gonna go ahead and check them all since we got 4 of them. Yeah, that one sounds good. Oh, I think that one's dead. Oh no, that one's working. All right, I checked them all out. Rear sensors are working. These front 3 are working. So it's like I thought. It's gonna be this one right there. I believe we can just go through, what do you call that? Fender well? We're gonna get in there and see if we could just reach it through there. On these sensors, they are part number specific. You have to get the right part number to match your paint. These have a specific part number. I'll list all the part numbers, as many as I could find, and the different color codes that would work. But this one is for Alpine White. We have 1, 2, about 3 8mm there. Let's see if we can reach it. All right, so good news. You just need to pop up those 3 8mm screws and you can actually pull the plastic back and you can get your hand in there. I just needed to grab some light. You got some light now. All right, see, and you could reach your hand right there. That's the sensor. Just unclip that, plug the new one in, and that should be it. I think we'll have to swap this piece out here. Let me look at the new ones. All right, let's check here. Oh, no. Apparently this one was missing the gasket anyway. This is the new one. This is the old one. It was missing the gasket. I think it's probably when I wrapped the car. Probably fell off. So here's our new one. Let's plug it in. Let's go check. Okay, so now the air should be gone and my right rear should move down now for reverse. Let's see. Of course, start her up. Okay. Don't worry about that service light. 102, yes sir. All right, pop it in reverse. That's a good sound. That means they're working. Sounds like they're working now. Let me make sure. Let me move some stuff out of the way. That way I can kind of do a little test here. Just gonna move it forward and back. They're going crazy right now because I'm close, but that's good though. That means they're working. I just want to make sure that one moves back. All right, so we're gonna go forward. Oh, I see what's going on. That's good though, that's good. That means they're working. All right. Okay, so that button was stuck on, that's why I was going crazy. So park is good, put it in drive is good, put it in reverse, they kick on. My mirror's still not moving down though. It might have something to do with this. Let me try. There we go. All right, we got the rear view mirror tilt. I forgot, if this moves over to the right, that actually shuts off that function. So now it's moving back. Let's pop it back in park. Mirror should readjust, perfect. Reverse, mirror tilt. Good, got the beeping. Could slide back. Perfect. All right, let's move this wheel back so we can tighten those screws again. All right, cool. One problem is gonna be done. Just one more to go. Let me just put this thing back together. So yeah, I would say, yeah, park your car, pop it in reverse, obviously with it off, and yeah, just listen to your sensors. I thought it would be hard, but you could really, it's actually pretty easy to do, and you could actually hear the clicks, like 1 second clicks, like click, click, click. If you don't hear the clicks, that's the one that's busted. So, I mean, of course you could just do a visual inspection and tell if yours is bad. That one took a big, I guess that was a rock. Something hit that one. That is a nice feature that I didn't know I loved until it was gone. One more thing to do. Now, if your headlight switch does go, leaving it plugged in, the BMW already knows to keep the headlights on and to turn them off when the car's off, but they will always be on even during the daytime. So I don't like that feature because it's really hot right now, and with the headlights on, that builds up heat, plus the heat already from the sun. I just feel like it's, you know, the headlights are really just cooking like crazy right now. So I'm gonna replace this switch, and hopefully everything works. If I remember correctly, this is pretty easy to get to. Just kind of pop this off here. That slides off. Neat. This pops off. All right, those pins, you need to save those pins because they're gonna go in the new one. Push up here, then that slides back. All right, just yank those pins out. All right, so we'll save these, put them down there. We got our new one here. My God, it's hot in here. Again, these things are expensive. So if you just break the knob, don't mess with it. Just order you a knob. Don't do what I did. Oh, this one came with the pins. Nice. All right. Oh wow, that one sounds good. Mine never sounded like that. All right, so plug and play. Slide that in. Latch goes down. Push it through the pin. Let's see. There you go. Cool. There you go. If you're interested in how that works, check that out. Neat. Just got to get that pin in there. I think it's in. That one goes in. Yeah, that one's in. Okay. Okay. All right. auto on. Beautiful. Everything seems to be working good. Fog lights, good. Just missed that auto. We're working? Alright. Just a couple of features is off. There we go. Good as new. Now it just needs an oil change and should be 100. Alright, so cool. So only about a little under $100 worth of parts, but no worries. Easy fixes, plug and play stuff. Very happy. Car's back to normal. So give this video a like if it helped you out and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.